Here I have ZTE Axon 25G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the not disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button do not disturb. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set up a schedule for this mode, like you can select days on which it will be active, start time, end time. You can also set up default duration of the not disturb mode. You can add exceptions to it. It could be calls, it could be like calls from contacts. Also there's an option allow repeat callers. If the same person calls a second time within 15-minute period, this call will also be added to exceptions. The same goes to messages, and you can also add alarm, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders and events to exceptions. And here you can also restrict notification. You can restrict only sound from notifications, you can restrict sound and visuals, or you can customize which notifications you want to restrict and which not. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.